So here's how you can edit a Word file in the iPad for free. So let me show you exactly how you could achieve this. If this is your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course we have the official Microsoft Word app, but as you can see when I get inside, I can only edit and save the documents with full sign in and a subscription. So if I want to avoid that, I can use a different approach. So, for example, I just go to the Files app where I have a couple of Word documents stored right here. So you can see that I have them in here. And the point is that if I want to open it in a different app, I have the ability to do. Right, so I can click on this and actually hold it down on it, tap on open with, because you can see the Microsoft Word is the default choice for me, but there I need a subscription. So instead I can choose a different app to edit the Word file, which I have right here. And the best option I think is the Apple Pages, because it's basically the same type of software but made by Apple. So you can do this and essentially export it to the Pages app. And then, as you can see in the top right corner, we have the edit button. So it's a pretty nice way to perform the edits to a Word document, but not through the official Microsoft Word app. So I know that a lot of people like that. And you, of course, have the ability to export it from the Apple Pages app in any format that you desire. Like it can obviously be in the Word as well, but you can also export it in the PDF or EPUB, or even more options are available, as you can see right here. So that is the best way for me. I hope I was able to help you out and at least like inspire you to go with this option. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos and similar guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads as well.